A well-built gate makes a great addition to a fence, giving easy access in and out of your yard. Your gate should be wide enough to walk through with your mower or wheelbarrow, and match the design of the rest of your fence for a consistent finish. If you're installing a gate as part of a new fence, you'll need to lay gate posts. Watch the How to Install Fence Posts video, also available on this website, for tips on this procedure. Start by building the gate frame. Cut 2x4s the length of the opening in your fence to form the top and bottom rails. Cut notches the shape of the side rails to piece the frame together. Lay the rail lengths on the ground as you build the frame. Drill pilot holes where you'll join the top and bottom rails to the side rails. Connect the frame together with deck screws. Measure the diagonals of the frame to ensure the gate is perpendicular in all corners. If it isn't, push gently on the corners to adjust the gate frame until all corners are 90 degrees. Lay the frame over a 2x4 to form the cross brace for extra support. Mark the angle cuts and use a circular or miter saw to cut the ends of the cross brace. Lay the cross brace across the diagonal of the frame. Drill pilot holes through the cross brace and again use deck screws to connect it to the rails. Position the first board along one side rail and use deck screws to attach it to the top and bottom rails. Make a basic T-shaped spacer to align the fence boards equally apart. Take some time to ensure that the spacing allows the last fence board to be positioned flush at the end of the gate. On the other side of the gate frame, space the fence boards in the opposite configuration. For additional privacy, add a lattice across the top of the gate. You'll need to attach additional 2x4s to the side rails to form end caps that support the lattice. You'll also cut 2 lengths of grooved 2x4 to the width of the gate to form the support for the lattice. Attach 1 length to the top rail with the groove side up to form the base for the lattice. Cut the lattice to the width of the gate and slide it into the groove on the top rail until it reaches the end cap. Secure the lattice by attaching the other end cap to the side rail. Place the second grooved 2x4 on top of the lattice and screw it into the end caps on either side to finish the gate. For maximum support, make sure your cross brace runs to the bottom of the gate post on the hinge side. Your gate should swing into your yard, so position the hinges accordingly. Pre-drill the holes, then screw the hinges to the gate. Ask someone to help lift the gate temporarily in place between the posts. Prop the gate on a block of wood to lift it to the desired height as you mark and attach the hinges to the gate post. Fasten a latch onto the gate and close the gate to align the position of the strike plate. Mark the screw holes for the strike plate with a pencil and pre-drill the holes. Fasten the strike plate to the gate post and test the latch. You've now got a gate that doesn't just look good, but works great. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. Here's a reminder of the tools and materials you'll need to complete this project.